What's the meaning of contagiously? Contagiously. Contagiously.
Contagiously. Contagiously. Contagiously refers to the spread of a disease, emotion or behavior from one person to another through direct or indirect contact. It implies that the condition is easily communicated and can spread rapidly from person to person. When a malady or mood is contagious, it can quickly affect a large number of individuals, often resulting in an epidemic or widespread adoption of a particular attitude or action. This term is commonly used in public health and psychology to describe the speed and ease with which illnesses, emotions, and behaviors can spread within a community.